Welcome to my math cast. Today we are going to be teaching grade 3, and our objective is to form rectangles by tiling with unit squares to make arrays. And this is by me, Mindy Maitland. Some vocabulary we need to know for this math cast is an array, which is an arrangement consisting of equal rows and equal columns. A square unit, and it is a square with sides that measure 1 unit used to measure area. So for this example, there is an area of 24 square centimeters. And on the side here, we see there's 4 centimeters. And then it says 4 times what equals 24 for the area. So we're going to figure out what we have to find to complete our area. So you can see here on the side, we have our 4 centimeters. But how many do we have up here to find this answer? So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that gives us 4 centimeters by 6 centimeters. So we can write 6 down here. Now if we were to count them all together, we would see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So there are 24 1 centimeter blocks. So now we have the same area, but this time we have to fill in the rest of the blocks. So we have the area again of 24 centimeters, and on the side we have 6 centimeters. So we'll know that up here, in order to get 24, we'll need 4. So let's fill in the blocks. All right, so we got our ruler out to make our line straight. So let's draw a line here. Here's 1. So now we have to make our lines down. So let's flip our ruler around, and we need 6 by 4. All right, so let's see if we have 6 by 4 to make 24. We have 1, 2, 3. So that's 4 up here, centimeters. And if we keep going, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 20. So 6 times 4 gives us 24 for an area of 24 square centimeters. So for this one, we don't really know our area yet, and we still have squares to fill in. So let's use what we did in example 1 and 2 to figure this out. So let's fill in our boxes. We're going to make 3 across because we know over here is 3. Now we're going to make a line down to give us 3 more up here. Because we can see these are 3 centimeters too, so it's 3 by 3. And 3 times 3 gives us 9. Let's double check in our boxes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have an area of 9 square centimeters.